What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can have your Google Home say whatever the hell you want it to. Now this can be really fun and really stupid, but I just thought it was something that everyone should know. So, the thing we're going to be using to use this is an app called IFTTT. You can get this for Android and iOS, and it's a really good app. You can see the ratings. But it is a free app. The first three kind of control things are free. But basically, all you want to do is download the app and sign up for a free account. No charges, nothing, all right? So once you're here, you're going to hit create and then add. And we're going to go here and we're going to search for Google Home. Google Assistant, basically, right? And then you're going to say a phrase with text integrated, say a simple phrase, say this, you're going to hit say a simple phrase. Now here, you're going to want to connect your Google. So whatever account your Google Homes are connected to, you're just going to connect that here. So I'm going to add the account and I will be back in a second. Okay, once you've added your account, it's just going to ask you a couple of questions like, does it allow you to have access to it? Do you allow your Google account? And you're just going to say yes. And now here's the fun part. What do you want to say? So you can say anything like, literally anything. So I'm going to say, good morning, Google. Anyways, this could be as stupid or as serious as you want. So I'm going to say, morning, Google. And then what do you want the assistant to say in response? I'm going to say, hello, Assad, good morning. And then we'll just do a couple exclamation points. Oh, wait, that is not exclamation points. There you go. And then, yeah, create trigger. And then here is the part. You can just do anything. Now, the reason why you have to do the second part is just because there's no other way to do this. So you can just say send a notification, create, and continue. So say good morning Google, then send a notification. Apologies for that. And now allow it. This is just so the applet can run. And now I will show you what happened. I recommend giving it a minute and then trying it. Okay, so I just tried it and it works, and I'll do it on camera. So you can say, hey Google, good morning Google.
Hello, Assad. Good morning.
See, as it does work, and as I said, you can make this as crazy and as stupid as you want. So let's try something a little crazier. Google Assistant, say a simple phrase. What do you want to say? Just say, I don't know, Cardi B is wild. WAP. I don't even know. What do you want the assistant to say in response? It can be like, Offset is better without her. Something really stupid like this. And just do a notification. You can do any of these, but personally, notifications is just the simplest thing. You can turn off if notifications if you don't want to get them. So send notification, create, and continue. Keep in mind, you can only have 3 applets, as in 3 of these crazy things per account. The way to get around this is just create a bunch of IFTT accounts and connect your Google with each account if you want it to say a bunch of stuff. But yeah, once again, give it a couple seconds and we're going to try this. So as I said before, you can make this as wild and as stupid as you want. So I'm going to say, hey Google, Cardi B is wild.
Offset is better without her.
As you can see, it's just a novelty item, and it does say right there, applet run. But this is just something really cool, and you can honestly have it say whatever the hell you want. In fact, I'm going to try one more thing that's kind of funny. I actually already have this set up on a different account. Say, hey Google, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Let's try this. Hey Google, Cardi B is wild.
Offset is better without her.
See, it's something simple, and you can have this as stupid or as funny as you want. It's just a novelty item, surprise your friends and family. You can also have it say personal messages, say if it's someone's birthday or it's an anniversary. You can really get creative with this. So I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and have a great rest of your day.